Today, we have another unboxing. Let's go ahead and get this open. Alright, so this is going to be a very similar unboxing to what we've had actually before. So, a while ago, I bought some ready rails for my Dell R710, and I had to buy an adapter for it to work on my server rack, because my server rack had threaded rails, which the ready rails do not work with. Well, we have the same thing for my R220 server in the server rack. So this is actually a 1U Dell threaded rack kit for me to use with the ready rails that I have for my R22 or 220. So let's go ahead and get that open. I ended up buying both of these kits from the same place, which is actually Disc Tech. I wish that I had a link for them, but I don't. So, they do pack it very well. So, each time they sent me a pen. So, as you see, what we have here is a 1U threaded rack adapter kit. It does have a Dell part number here. Go ahead and just get this open. Just do a quick unboxing, and we will do an install as well. Pretty much comes with a lot of the same things that the other one came with. This is a very, very, very similar kit. So as you see, we actually have some of the rack adapters here. Same idea. If we were to go ahead and separate them, you'll see they actually do have these square holes, except it's just 1U in height, which is just 3 squares. So I'm not going to take those out yet. And we have all the screws that come with it. So like I said, like a quick unboxing, and let's go ahead and actually get them installed. I'll see you in my garage. Alright guys, so as you see, we are at my server rack, and I have stuff over here I need to go ahead and move. So it's actually the keyboard and mouse that I currently have hooked up to the server, which I really, honestly, don't even really need them hooked up anymore. But I do like having them. And then also the monitor as well. So I'm actually going to just unhook the monitor for now. Just be in my way currently. So we're going to move this out of the way. Alright, so basically where I want to put this server, I want to actually give a little bit of space for the R710. So I'm actually going to go ahead and put it right here. Hope you guys can see that. About 3 spaces, so really about 1U space away from this server. So I'm not going to have much on these server racks. But it's nice, a combination now from the current server and the previous, or the current adapter and the previous adapter, is that I actually now can also get the other ready rails put up for my Dell R1950 server as well. Because it actually gives me enough extra adapters, because there are extra adapters that come with it, to make it so I can actually put up 2 now with the combination from the old server, or the old adapter, and the new adapter. So just want to make sure that this is the right screw. Yep, alright, good. I think we're the right one. First try. Alright, so now just honestly going to take my drill. It's nice because these adapters, you can see there's the square. Literally put the screw right here in the hole. I get the drill ready for it, and then get it on the thread and just drill it in. It's as easy as that. So I'm actually going to loosen it up a little bit, just because I want to make sure I can get the other one into the hole too. And I'll just tighten both down. So we're going to do the same thing on the other side. I'm going to do it at the same height. So once again, we're just going to put in the screw, just do the top hole again. I want to make sure those are actually curved in, so that way the space is over here, is facing kind of inward. That's just what the instructions had said before. I'm not going to tighten it all the way down like I did the first time. Oops. I want to get a screw into the R710. Alright guys, so I'm going to just be straightforward with you. This little issue that I'm having right now in the video was a start of a whole bunch of issues. Not necessarily with the kit. The kit itself is good. I had issues with my server rack, I had issues with the rails, but this one screw wouldn't go into the hole, and it was just a whole start of issues. So I'm going to fast forward to me getting the rails installed. I hope you guys enjoy. Okay, I think I figured it out. So the posts and the edges of this rail are not supposed to be on here, but it's fine because I just had to modify it just a little bit. So now it's latched in, nice and tight. Nice and tight on this side. Actually, it's even tighter on this side. I have it back latched. Back is latched. Back is latched. Now, should be able to slide in now, hopefully. Here we go, fingers crossed. This is the moment of truth. It's so tight, even with my modifications. Okay, left side should be on the track, just a little bit. Maybe the right side on the track, also a little bit, yep. Oh, it is not smooth, but yeah. There you go. I don't know where I was going with this. It's basically, the threaded rack kit is perfectly fine. It was my rails that were the problem. But I modified my rails just a little bit, just enough to where I should be able to pull it out, put it in, and we're good to go. Latches in just fine, just like the ready rails. So those ready rails that are for the R220 were definitely not made for a threaded rack, even with that kit. But that's okay, because we got it on here, which was the key to what I wanted. I have a little bit of space here between the two servers, which, let's get this guy back in. I think he just ran over. Where it was. Alright, perfect. So, as you see, There's a nice little airflow gap. It's about 1 U of clearance, which is what I was really hoping for. Even just like a little bit less would have been okay too, but I got 1 U, which is what I needed just to make me feel comfortable with it. They're nice and matchy-matchy now. And soon I'll hook this guy up. I did install Unraid on this a while back. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and take Unraid and probably put some virtual machines on there. So for now, I'll get the keyboard that I had down here. Got that perfectly fine there. And then I have the mouse. To be honest, like I said, I really don't even know why I have these over here because they're not needed at all for either one of the operating systems. The keyboard is. The mouse, not so much. But I'm leaving it installed just in case. So I will be getting this guy hooked up soon. Got to make some modifications to the patch panel and get port 8 and port 9 connected for the iDRAC for this. But anyways, sorry about all that time. I really wasn't expecting this to take as long as it did. Let me shift this over properly. By properly, I mean not unlatching anything, of course. Just scooting it over to the distance that it should have been. Alright, so I hope you guys like this video. Subscribe if you want to see more dealing with the servers. If you don't, that's perfectly fine. Let me know in the comments down below. Thumbs up button if you liked it, thumbs down if you didn't. But definitely let me know in the comments down below. I did a lot of these server videos hoping that some people would enjoy this. I just wanted to do this for myself personally, but at the same time, if people wanted to see it, here you go. So this was the Dell 1U threaded rack kit. Like I said, the threaded rack kit is fine, but the issue I had today was actually my server rails for my R220. But the threaded rack kit's great. If you do want these, I will have a link in the description down below. My name's Craig. Thank you guys for watching Squappy's videos, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye guys.